Introducing the budget-friendly potato hash recipe. Here's what you'll need. 4 medium potatoes, peeled and diced 1 onion, finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 bell pepper, diced, optional, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1-2 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Step 1. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Step 2. Add the diced potatoes to the skillet and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they start to brown slightly. Step 3. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the skillet. Cook for another 3-4 minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Step 4. Optional. Add the diced bell pepper, paprika, dried thyme, salt, and pepper for extra flavor. Step 5. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley and serve hot. Enjoy this budget-friendly and mouth-watering potato hash with your family and friends.